Hello everyone, welcome to Manira Shine Academy. In this video, we will be learning basic fundamental operations in maths. In the last video, I have already explained two basic operations, that is addition and subtraction. You can go to the link and check them. In this video, we will be learning multiplication and division. Now let's start with multiplication. What do you understand by multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition of numbers, right? Now to understand, let us say we have 3 trees, right? Now if I say this is one group, if I have 4 such groups of 3 trees, right, this way. So how many trees are there in total? What we will do, we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, right? This is repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that makes it 12. Now it is not possible to add n number of times. So here comes multiplication. What we will say, we say we have 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. So when we have 4 groups, it is 4 times 3. Right? This, it is read this way, 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 make it 12. This is how multiplication works. Now, when we talk about calculating 2-digit multiplications. For single digits multiplication, you need to learn the tables, which are very important. Now suppose you are asked to multiply 23 into 5. How can we multiply them, right? So we write them in this column way, starting with the first digit, 5 into 3. 5 threes is 15. So you write 5 here and 1 carry. Okay, this is with carry. In the last video I have explained you addition with carry. This is multiplication. Then 5 into 2 is 10 and we have 1 as carry. So 10 plus 1, 11. So when we say 23 into 5, that is equal to 115. Now let us take a smaller number. Suppose I say 23 into 2. Here we do not have any carry, right? Now 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2 is 4. So 23 into 2 is 46. Now suppose we have both the numbers 2 digit. Say we have 52 into 25. How do we calculate this? Starting with the first digit of the second number, that is the last digit of the second number, that is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. So 0, 1 here is a carry. Then 5 into 5 is 25 plus 1 makes it 26. Now what is the next step? You have to multiply 2 into 52. So first you will make a cross or a 0 here, okay, at the rightmost place below the rightmost digit. Then start 2 into 2, that makes it 4, and 2 into 5, that is 10. After that we will add the numbers. Okay, 260 is the answer for 52 into 5 and 104 is the answer for 52 into 2. Now add them starting from the right hand side. 0, this is considered as 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10, so 0, carry 1. Then 2 plus 0 is 2, plus 1 is 3 and 1. So your answer for 52 into 25 is 1300. Okay. Now similarly, if you have a 3-digit number here, what you will do, we will keep on adding a cross starting from the right hand side going towards the left hand side. Let us take one simple example and understand. Suppose we have a number 52, or say 520 into 121. Okay, so starting with 1, you will first multiply 520 into 1. So 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 5 is 5. Now going to the next digit towards the left, that is 2. So 520 into 2. So before multiplying, we will put a cross or a 0 here. Now 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 into 5 is 10. Now since we do not have any other digit here, so we will put 1 here itself. Now going to the third digit, what we have to do, we will put 2 cross here. Okay, and then start. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 5 is 5. Now since we have completed multiplying each digit of the second number with the first number, now you have to add them column wise, starting from the right hand side. Okay, rightmost digit is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 0 is 2, 5 plus 4 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So your answer for 520 into 121 is 62920. This way you can keep on multiplying n number of digits of a number. Always remember to put a cross, and more the number of digits, more will be the number of steps. Now let us understand what is division. When we talk about division, it is basically dividing a bigger group of numbers into equal parts. Okay, for example, if I have 12 trees, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and I am supposed to divide them into equal parts, making a group of 2. Okay, so this will be one group, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So we have 6 groups here. So if I say I am dividing 12 into groups of 2 equal parts, how many groups we get? We get 6 equal parts, right? So this is how division works. Now if I have to divide these 12 trees into 3 equal parts, right, making group of 3s. So if I say 12 divided by 3, so that will make it 4, right? 12 divided by 3 is 4. In the other way, when we say 3 into 4 is 12, right? So dividing a bigger group into equal parts is division. Now how do we divide in the standard way? Suppose you are asked to divide 10 by 5. We are taking the simplest number. You need to learn the tables for this as well. Okay, so what we do, we write 10 here. Now we need to understand, we have 3-4 things. 10 is your dividend, 5 is called as divisor, which will divide, and when you get the answer, your answer will be called as quotient, and if we have something remaining, it will be known as remainder. Okay, let us take and understand with an example. So 10 dividend inside, divisor outside, divided by 5. Now we know that 5 2s is 10. So 2 here, that is your quotient, and 10, and you have to subtract 10. Okay, in multiplication we are adding, in division we subtract. Now 10 minus 10 is 0. So here 2 is your quotient and 0 is your remainder. Now let us consider an example, say 12 divided by 5. Now we know that 12 is not the multiple of 5. So writing 12 inside, 5, the divisor outside. 5 2s is 10. Now what we will see, you have to take the multiple of 5 which is nearest to 12 and smaller than 12. So 10 is nearest to 12 and it is smaller than 12. If I take 5 3s are 15. 15 is also near to 12 but it is greater than 12. So we cannot take 15. 5 2s are 10. Then 12 minus 10 is 2. So here your remainder is 2. Quotient is same, that is 2. In the first example, remainder is 0. In the second example, we get remainder 2. Right? This is the simplest division. Now when we go to the decimal points, it is the other way, which I will explain in the upcoming videos, that how we can put a decimal and go through it. Now let us take a bigger number. Suppose the number is 520 divided by 5. Okay, so 520 is your dividend, 5 is your divisor. Now what we will do, we will start with the first digit on the left. Okay, since the number is very big, 5. Now 5 ones is 5. So 5 ones are 5. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. After that, we will bring the second digit of the number down. So take an arrow and 2 here. Now 2 is smaller than 5. So we cannot divide it. So what we will do, we will say 5 zeros are 0. And then 2 minus 0 is 2. And then bring the third digit down, that is 0. So this makes it 20. Now we know that 5 4s is 20. So 5 4s 20 and 20 minus 20 is 0. So the remainder is 0. So when we say 520 divided by 5, we get the answer, that is your quotient, as 104. This is how we can make divisions. And what we are doing, we are basically dividing a bigger number, that is 520 here, into a smaller group of 5 each. So when we are dividing 520 into group of 5, we will get 104 such groups. Okay, this is how division works. I hope the basic concept of multiplication and division is clear. To learn about addition and subtraction, kindly watch my previous video and do watch the upcoming videos as well. Thank you very much.